Imagine a future where technology and the human brain work together in perfect harmony, where disabilities become a thing of the past and human potential reaches new heights. This captivating vision is closer than you think, thanks to Neuralink, a brain-computer interface company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. Yes, Elon Musk, car, rocket, X, tunnel, and oh yeah, PayPal. In this video, we'll explore how this remarkable technology works, its life-changing medical applications, potential for human enhancement, and the fascinating biohacking possibilities it could unlock. Let's dive in. To understand Neuralink's immense potential, we first need to look at the technology powering it. At its core are flexible electrodes, thinner than a human hair, capable of reading and stimulating brain activity. These electrodes are embedded in a chip connected to flexible threads, allowing precise implantation into the brain. This is all made possible by a sophisticated surgical robot designed by Neuralink to carefully insert the threads, dodging blood vessels along the way. Once implanted, the electrodes can record neural signals and transmit this data to a wearable device behind the ear. This enables real-time monitoring and two-way communication between the brain and external digital devices. With wireless charging and Bluetooth connectivity, Neuralink's brain-computer interface creates a seamless link between mind and machine. This opens up a world of possibilities. But before we dive into the potential applications, let's look at a major recent milestone. Neuralink got over a major hurdle in bringing this futuristic technology closer to reality. The company received FDA approval to begin the first human clinical trials for their implanted brain-computer interface device. This critical approval will allow Neuralink to test the safety and feasibility of their N1 implant in human patients. The initial focus is on quadriplegic patients, with the goal of enabling them to operate phones or computers using only brain activity. The 6-year study, called the PRIME trial, will be conducted with strict oversight at leading medical centers. If successful, it would provide the evidence needed to move towards commercialization and wider medical availability of Neuralink's implant. This FDA green light signals that regulators are satisfied the potential benefits outweigh the risks at this stage. However, any approval for consumer applications could be years away. Commencement of human trials marks a hugely significant point in Neuralink's development. It represents a transition from pure research into real-world medical implementation. The data and insights gained will be invaluable for refining the technology. Neuralink aims to first help people regain control over lives devastated by paralysis. By recording signals directly from the motor cortex, the region of the brain responsible for movement, actions like using a computer mouse or typing could become possible just through thought. This could allow people with quadriplegia to operate digital devices and environments using only their minds, bypassing spinal cord injuries that disconnect the brain from the body. But Neuralink's potential extends far beyond enabling movement. The ability to analyze brain data could allow early detection of neurological disorders, enabling swifter intervention. We may one day even see conditions like dementia, depression, strokes, brain cancer, and more, diagnosed before obvious symptoms arise. Neuralink's technology holds promise for radically improving treatments too. Deep brain stimulation for Parkinson's and Alzheimer's could be optimized by precisely monitoring and adjusting therapeutic stimulation. The possibilities to restore brain functions damaged by injury or disease are astounding. Now let's consider Neuralink's potential for enhancement, going beyond healing to augment human capacities beyond their natural limits. This is where things get really fascinating. Imagine a world where we can acquire new skills and knowledge just by downloading them directly into our brains, like in the Matrix, where our memory, creativity, and emotional intelligence can be enhanced with a thought, where we can control augmented and virtual reality worlds seamlessly using just our minds. These astonishing applications illustrate how Neuralink could dramatically redefine what it means to be human. Blurring the lines between minds and machines could launch a new era of human evolution. This potential for biohacking opens up profound ethical questions. As we optimize brains like we do computer code, how do we avoid unintended consequences? If enhancements are only available to the wealthy, it could exacerbate social inequality. And who should get to decide where to draw the line between therapy and unnecessary augmentation? These issues underscore why it's crucial that technology as powerful as Neuralink's is guided by ethical considerations from the start. Companies like Neuralink have a responsibility to proactively build in privacy protections and oversight mechanisms to prevent misuse. The wise integration of ethical foresight and scientific progress will shape Neuralink's positive impact. Neuralink's mission to create a seamless interface between the human brain and computers holds world-changing medical potential, while also raising important ethical questions. But one thing is clear: it opens the door to a fantastic future where human potential is limited only by our imagination. Guided by long-term considerations of human well-being, alongside rapid innovation, Neuralink could steer humanity into an era where disabilities are relics of the past, neurological conditions are treatable, and human cognition itself is elevated to new heights. The future of this technology is within reach. Let us hope we have the wisdom to wield it.